Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to discuss real-time loops and how they work. First, join me over here on the left-hand side. Click on Loops. Create a loop in the top right-hand side. We'll call this Support. Maybe this is a support team I want to have this specific loop for. I'm going to name it Support. Drop down. Wallboards here, I'm going to put in Contact Center Agent Client as the first one. I want this to be present and available for 1 minute. Do another one here. I'll add in group stats. Let's have that present for 30 seconds. And then one more here. I'll add an inbound wallboard for 30 seconds. That's good enough for me. That's 3 wallboards as part of my loop. Click apply. Produce the loop here. Right hand side, click the ... ellipsis tool. I can generate an external view link. This external view link can be copied and shared with other people within the company or even externally. Maybe you're answering calls on behalf of someone else that you're hired to do. You could share this with them and they can monitor your status in real time. I'll copy paste this, go to another tab, open it up, paste it in, and I might even go to full screen like this. This has been sped up for convenience, but this first one was set to be 1 minute. And this one has been sped up for convenience for 30 seconds. Has been sped up for convenience for 30 seconds. Then it starts at the very beginning. This is how loops are created and shared.